Imagine a world of vibrant colors, delicate petals, and a symphony of buzzing wings. Welcome to the mesmerizing realm of bumblebees. In this 5-minute journey, we're about to uncover the secrets of these tiny aviators, their extraordinary lives, and the vital role they play in our ecosystem. So, if you've ever wondered what makes these fuzzy creatures so special, buckle up, because you're in for a wild ride. Our story begins in lush meadows and sun-kissed gardens, where bumblebees embark on a never-ending quest for nectar with their furry bodies and vibrant stripes. They dive fearlessly into the heart of flowers, but there's a method to this madness. As they drink nectar, they unknowingly become crucial pollinators. As they buzz from bloom to bloom, they transfer pollen, allowing plants to bear fruit and seeds. It's like a dance of nature that sustains our food chain. The sun rises and the bumblebee colony awakens. Just like a bustling city, each bee has a role to play. The queen, a true matriarch, reigns supreme and gives birth to her subjects. The diligent worker bees venture out, foraging tirelessly and returning laden with nectar and pollen inside the hive. Another story unfolds. Hexagonal chambers, meticulously crafted from wax, cradle the next generation. It's a symphony of cooperation that keeps the colony thriving. But what's a bumblebee without its wings? These wings, beating at an astonishing 200 times per second, grant them the power of flight against all odds. They perform aerial acrobatics that defy gravity, their flight muscles working tirelessly. Even more astounding, bumblebees are master navigators, using the sun as a compass and polarized light patterns to find their way. It's a testament to the marvels of adaptation. As our story unfolds, we must acknowledge the challenges bumblebees face. Habitat loss, pesticide exposure, and climate change threaten their existence. Their populations are dwindling, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains our planet. But there's hope in our hands. By planting bee-friendly gardens, avoiding harmful chemicals, and raising awareness, we can secure a brighter future for these remarkable creatures. And so, our tale comes to an end, but the journey continues as we bid farewell to the buzzing world of bumblebees. Let's remember that their story is intricately woven into the fabric of our lives. The next time you see a bumblebee sipping nectar, or gracefully soaring through the air, you're witnessing a living testament to the beauty and resilience of nature. So, let's be their allies, protectors of their world, and champions of their cause. Remember, the world beneath our feet is teeming with wonders. All we need to do is look a little closer. If you've enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep buzzing with curiosity.